मैं ऐसे देखूं कि ऐसे देखते हो? ठीक है। कितनी तेज चिल्ला के बात करते हैं लोग, शर्म नहीं आती कि दूसरा भी कोई काम कर रहा होगा। Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. आज मैंने बेस कर रखा है and base, if you want to learn how I do my base, you have to check out my Instagram. एंड मेरा इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल नेहा वेट 09 है। अगर नहीं फॉलो किया ना तो जाके फॉलो करो चुपचाप। तो today I am going to be talking about my newfound love, which is this Mars ka palette. I have done my base so that I do not waste a lot of time doing my base and just get right into it. So talk about Mars first. Mars is an Indian brand. This is not a sponsored video. I wanted to try. I love colorful palettes. I do wanted to try this. I have already tried Nika ke birthday cake palette, and I wanted to try this because it's such an affordable palette. It is just 299 rupees, and if you are looking for a pigmented colorful palette, you have it. This has so many colors, 15 shades, and you can create so many colorful looks. आजकल कलरफुल लुक्स चल रहे हैं फॉर मेहंदी, फॉर हल्दी, फॉर द वेडिंग, और ऐसे भी इन जनरल भी 2021 का ट्रेंड है वेयर यू हैव very bright eyes and eye makeup. So yeah, this has all the ingredients written. This comes with a outer packaging which I have unfortunately thrown because I did not know that I will be doing this video with you guys, but I wanted to. Now let's talk about the shades. I have a white shade, a brown shade, two pink shade, a blue shade, orange, all the colors of rainbow. It has them. The color story is amazing. Show you a few swatches. It has a matte shade, shimmer shades, not shimmer, satin shimmer shades. Okay, let me show you this pink, this orange, I like orange, this yellow, oh my god, this is so beautiful, and this teal. Okay, should I swatch? 3, 2, 1, oh wow, this is so good, you guys. This is so good. A little powdery. Okay, you know, for this price, if you're getting so many shades and that too this pigmentation, I think Mars deserves a round of applause from my side. Mars as a brand, I am loving them. I follow them on Instagram and I check out their new releases and I love them. Yeah, seriously, just one word, I love them. They are so good. I mean, for an Indian brand, this type of packaging and these many shades, I don't know how they do it. So beautiful. So this, I love it. I will be creating sunset eyes with this palette to bring you a little closer to my eyes. Now that we have done our eyebrows, I'm going to be making a base for my eyeshadow. I'm using the Sugar Concealer foundation stick. I love it, but it is shades lighter than my skin tone. I use it as concealer because I love its consistency. This is such a good product. It is a little expensive, but I love it. It is important to make a base for your foundation, your eyeshadow, so that the colors, if you are doing smoky eyes, you do not need a base, but if you are using bright colored eyeshadows, you need a base, otherwise the color payoff is, the colors don't show up on your eyes. Okay. Now I'm going to be taking this Fit Me powder and I will be setting the primer, the concealer base with a powder so that it does not crease, to avoid the creasing. Okay, we are done with our priming. Our lids are primed. Now we can dig into our palette. First I'm going to take this pink shade, taking this pencil brush and going right into this. And color on my lid. Very gently. Now I'm taking a blending brush and taking this orange shade, dust it off. एंड इस पिंक शेड को ब्लेंड करेंगे. In the same brush, it's a little powdery than the orange one. बस बहुत लाइटली आउटर एजेस को ब्लेंड करना है इसकी, टू गिव इट दैट सनसेट वाला ग्लो. Darkening our pink color a tad bit. To rewind, and I'm cutting my crease right here. Another flat shader brush, and I am taking this golden shade. I'm taking the same brush and picking up this orange shade, just blending the orange with pink and gold. Okay, looks good, but the pink is a little less, I think. So what I'm going to do is taking the pink on the same brush, I think we need a little purple in our life, just to give it a little bit of depth. Oh yeah, now it looks good. Taking this brush and picking up purple on this very lightly. Okay, not bad at all. Looks good. What do you think, guys? So this is how this eye look, and the colors are so good. They are so pigmented. Now I will be doing this eye, and then I'll come back and do the lower lash line. Okay, so we are done with both our eyes, and let's do the lash line purple because it is on the outer corner. Pink. Now comes orange, and now comes the gold. How does it look, guys? So this is what the pigmentation looks like. I will be completing my eye going in with orange Cups and Lashes waterproof liquid eyeliner. The shade is called Zaffran. Let's brighten up that inner corner. I'm using yellow. Have completed our look, and so you can see how bright and pigmented this palette is. I fell in love with this palette. I am in love with this palette. This is so amazing, so affordable. If you want to get affordable, if you want to try your hands on colorful eyeshadows, you can go with this. This is an amazing palette for the price you are paying. This is so good, and it's made in India. So yeah, okay. I love the color payoff. I love how bright it is. It does not have that much of fallout. Yellow color is a little bit powdery, and it has a very tad bit of fallout. However, I love the overall palette. The colors are so pigmented. You can see they are still here, and I love this. I am in love with this palette, and everything is written on the back, the manufacture date, the expiry date, and this is Mars 15 colors eyeshadow, fantasy eyeshadow palette. I love it, I love it, I love it, and I would highly recommend this product to you guys because it is so good. एंड अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया है, ये आई लुक पसंद आया है, तो प्लीज़ कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए वीडियो को, कमेंट करिए एंड शेयर करिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, फैमिली के साथ, हु एवर लाइक्स मेकअप, और even new brides. If you do not want to invest in a very high-end palette, you can go for this one because आपके पास सारे कलर्स भी आ जाते हैं, न्यूट्रल्स भी हैं इसमें, और जो लाइट ब्राउन, डार्क ब्राउन, ब्लैक, वाइट, all the colors are here. This is one basic palette which you can get. क्योंकि अगर न्यूट्रल पैलेट लेते हो तो उसमें कलरफुल आई शेडोज़ नहीं होते, कलरफुल आई शेडोज़ लेते हो तो उसमें न्यूट्रल कलर्स नहीं होते, एंड दिस इज़ द होल पैकेज. सो yes, my recommendations to you are get this palette. It's available on Amazon, it's available on Nykaa. I have seen link all the products in the description box and you can check them out. And if you are thinking of getting a colorful palette, get this one. So yeah, That's all we have for this video. I will see you next time, and do subscribe to my channel, don't forget it, okay?